Hi there, good afternoon, good evening, even good morning. Today we are gonna learn with the future tense. Yeah, when we learn about the future, we are gonna talk about the action in the future. Now let's have a look here. We have a future continuous and also a future perfect. Yeah, remember when we have a future continuous, we remember the continuous form. Yeah, when we learn with the continuous form, we will see the to be and also for being. Yeah, and then when we learn with the perfect, we have to remember that we learn with have and verb 3. Now let's have a look here. We have we have a 5 an example with a verb. The first is use, look, speak, see, and talking. Yeah, let's learn one by one to remember with the continuous and also with the perfect. Yeah, before we learn with the future. Okay, in the use here, we will find the continuous form. Yeah, it's gonna be using. Okay, but for the perfect, yeah, we will find the verb 3 used, using, used. Okay, and then let's see here. The second example is look. We use a continuous looking, but for perfect, we will see looked, looking, and looked is the word that we are going to use in a sentence. And then speak. Okay, speaking as a continuous and spoken as the verb 3. And then see, being saying in the continuous and seen as the perfect. Okay, and then let's see, talk, talking, and talked in the perfect. Okay, I just want to review for our lesson before with the continuous and also with the perfect form. Now let's have a look here. I'm going to give you an example using use. Yeah. Okay, remember when we learn a sentence, we have some subjects. Yeah, and you know that like I, you, we, they, it. You can use it whatever, and you can use it. Okay, now I'm going to give you the example using a future continuous. Okay, now let's back to the future. When we use a future, we will have a word will. Okay, so here I will. Okay, it's to describe a future. Yeah, and then remember we will find a continuous. So we will find a be or to be. Yeah, I will be. Okay, and for in, I will be using. Okay, so I will be using is a future continuous. I will be using that chair, for example. Okay, here is the form of future continuous. I will be using that chair. Okay, now let's move to the second example of a perfect, a future perfect mean. Okay, I will use the same subject using I. I will have used. Okay, have used as a perfect. Okay, I will have used that chair. Right? Focusing on the continuous, we use this one. Okay, be using, and then for the perfect, we use have used. Right? Pay attention, and it's gonna be easy if you pay attention more. And then let's see for the next example. We will have a word look. Okay, everyone, look. I will change the subject like we. Right? Can you see clearly here? Okay, we will be looking at you. Okay, this is the example. We will be looking at you. Here is the continuous form, be looking. And then we'll move to the future perfect. We will have looked It's easy. You just change the form of verb. Okay, we will be looking at you for a continuous, and then we will have a look at you for a perfect, okay, or future perfect, right? So let's have a look for the the third verb using speak. Okay, I'm gonna change the subject. For example, like they will be speaking. Yeah, as our future continues, right? They will be speaking English with him. Okay? Yeah. And then for the next example, they will have spoken. Remember, yeah, they will have a spoken English with him. Okay, here is the example you can use in learning future continuous and also learning a future perfect. Yeah, they have it's also similar, but it's different. Okay, I just want to review again. We use a continuous. Yeah, we use a continuous, a future continuous. We use to be and verb A, and also future perfect. We use have and verb 3. That's it. Yeah, I'm gonna use it with the similar example to easy understand. Okay, so in this learning, yeah, I just want to ask you first to subscribe this video and then like this video, and yeah, you have to try to answer with the see and talk in the comment. Yeah, I'm gonna see you in the comment. I will check it. Okay, with the see and thought. Yeah, give it the example using perfect continuous and also perfect, sorry, using a future continuous and future perfect. Okay, please give it a comment. I'm gonna see you as your score. Thank you very much, and see you in the other video.